Hello everyone, myself Renuka Kokate. In this lecture, we are going to study polygon in computer graphics. First, what is vertices? The point is called as vertices. Second, edges. Vertices which are interconnected by the line called as edges. Third, polygon. Number of edges connected to each other to form a closed shape called as polygon. For example, triangle, rectangle, etc. All these are the examples of polygon. In this example, there is 3 vertices, first, second, third, and 3 edges, first, second, third. Another examples also includes a number of vertices and number of edges, and their shape is closed. That is all are the examples of polygon. Now we will see the types of polygon in computer graphics. There are two types of polygon. First, convex polygon, and second one is your concave polygon. Convex polygon. Polygon in which if we take any 2 points which are surely inside the polygon. If we draw a line joining these 2 points and all the point on that line surely inside the polygon, then such a polygon are called as a convex polygon. Now we will see the example. In this example, there is 3 points or 3 vertices, P1, P2, P3. All these are the vertices. And if we connect P1 and P2, then it will form a edge. There is 3 edges, first, second and third. That's why it is a example of polygon. In this polygon, if we take any 2 points, that is A1 and A2, we join these 2 points, we will form a edge. This edge consists of number of vertices, and all these vertices are surely inside the polygon. That's why it is a example of convex polygon. Now all these are the examples of convex polygon. All the polygon includes a number of vertices, and all the vertices are surely inside the polygon. That's why all these are the examples of convex polygon. Now we will see concave polygon. Polygon in which if we take any 2 points which are surely inside the polygon, if we draw a line joining these 2 points and all the points on that line are not lying inside the polygon, then it is called as a concave polygon. Now we will see the example. In this example, if we take any 2 points, first A1 and A2, we will join these 2 points using a edge. This edge also contains a number of vertices, but in this diagram some of the vertices are the outside the polygon. For example, consider this part. This part consists of number of vertices, and all these vertices are outside the polygon. That's why it is a example of concave polygon. Thank you.